Enclosures for Morse can tumblers help you meet OSHA requirements for revolving machines. They are interlocked with a drive mechanism, so the container can only revolve with the guard enclosure in place. Open the enclosure and secure your container weighing up to 100 pounds per can. Enclosures are available for single and double can tumblers. Models without a timer require the customer to install a control box according to local code. If the can tumbler is equipped with a timer, set the desired rotating time from 1 to 60 minutes. The can tumbler automatically turns off when the guard is open. If minutes remain on the timer, tumbling automatically resumes when you close the guard. Help protect your employees from injury and meet OSHA requirements with an enclosure with safety interlock for your Morse can tumbler.